Iconasys 360 product photography hanging kits are designed to help shoot products that typically won't sit flat on a turntable surface. The Iconasys range of hanging kits are designed for suspending small items such as earrings and necklaces all the way up to larger and heavier items with support for objects up to 200 pounds. Users will be required to elevate their turntable. This can typically be done with something as simple as a sheet of wood with a hole drilled out the middle. The hanging kit will then mount to this turntable stem from the underside of the platform. Shooting products in 360 is straightforward. Users simply enable the live view, which will enable a real-time preview of what the camera sees. Users can then adjust camera settings to optimize the exposure for their lighting. After camera settings have been set, users will set and fix a focal point. This is done directly through the software as well. This focal point will be retained for every shot during the 360 image capture after it has been set. Last, users will pre-rotate the turntable to ensure the object is spinning on axis in the center, and then optionally define a pre-cropped shooting area. When ready to get started shooting, users simply define the number of frames, spin direction, speed, and optionally add a pre or post shot delay, then hit the start button. This will automate the 360 image capture process in a turn, stop, snap workflow, automatically uploading images after their capture. After the 360 product image set has been completed, users can batch edit the image sequence. Shutterstream 360 software includes a vast image editing suite that includes multiple tools ranging from background removal to color correction to image enhancement. These tools can be applied to a single image or a batch set of images in one click. After the editing process is complete, users will output the image set. During this process, images can be batch renamed and resized. The last step in the workflow will be the 360 product view composition. This will compose a 360 product image set into a web-ready 360 product view. 360 product views can be completely customized, and users will have 4 different 360 format output options from the software. This output can be local, that is, host on your own servers, or can be uploaded directly to the Iconasys 360 View hosting server. The Iconasys 360 Hanging Kit is a great option for creating professional quality 360 product photography in-house.